This module gives an overview of a standard ATR 72-600 operation at parking in short transit, during taxi, in flight, and after landing. The aircraft is considered energized with GPU connected. During external inspection, the crew member 1 must perform the aircraft walk-around.
Parking brake accumulator pressure. Check 1500 psi minimum pressure. Maintenance doors closed. Gear doors check. Wheels and tires condition. Brake temperature sensors check. Brake wear detectors check. Landing gear structure check. Hydraulic lines check. Wheel well check. Up lock open. Free fall assister check. Safety pin removed. Beacon light check. Air conditioning panel locked. Pack ram air inlet closed. Landing light condition. TAT probe total air temperature check. Magnetic fuel level in. Banana seal check. Flaps condition. Exhaust nozzle clear. Flaps position check. Aileron and tap check. Static dischargers 5 items check. Horn condition. Navigation and strobe lights condition. Wing de-icing boots condition. Fuel ventilation NOCA inlet clear. Magnetic fuel level in. Ice detector check. Left cowlings closed and latched 4 items. Oil cooling flaps check. Engine air intake clear. Engine de-icing boots condition. Spinner check. Propeller feathered condition. Free rotation 6 blades. Right cowlings. Closed and latched, 4 items. Inner wing leading edge and fairing. Condition. Wing light and emergency light. Condition. Emergency exit. Closed. Avionics ventilation overboard valve. Open. Cargo door operating panel door. Closed. Cargo door. Closed and latched, 3 items. Oxygen bottle overload discharge indication. Green. Angle of attack probe. Condition. Cockpit communication hatch. Check. Icing evidence probe. Condition. Static ports. Clear, 3 items. Beaded probes and covers. Check and removed. Wipers. Condition, 2 items. Radom and latches. Check, 4 items. Nose gear wheels and tires. Condition. Nose gear structure. Condition. Taxi lights. Condition. Wheel well. Check. Free fall assister. Check. Safety pin. Removed. Nose wheel steering. Condition. Hydraulic lines. Condition. Nose gear doors. Condition, 2 doors are closed. Beaded probe and cover. Check and removed. Static ports. Clear, 3 items. Angle of attack probe. Condition. External AC and DC electrical power access doors. Check. Emergency exit. Check. Emergency light. Condition. Antennae. Check, 2 items up and down. Wing light. Condition. Inner wing leading edge and fairing. Condition. Left cowlings. Closed and latched, 4 items. Engine air intake. Clear. Engine de-icing boots. Condition. Spinner. Check. Propeller. Feathered. Condition, free rotation if propeller brake is not set, 6 blades. Right cowlings. Closed and latched, 4 items. Oil cooling flaps. Check. Wing de-icing boots. Condition. Magnetic fuel level. In. Fuel ventilation NOCA inlet. Clear. Navigation and strobe lights. Condition. Horn. Condition. Static dischargers, 5 items. Check. Aileron and tab. Check. Flaps. Condition. Exhaust nozzle. Clear. Flaps position. Check. Banana seal. Check. Magnetic fuel level. In. TAT, total air temperature probe. Check. Landing light. Condition. Air conditioning ground connection. Locked. Pack ram air inlet. Closed. The refueling control panel access door. Closed and latched. Gear doors. Check. Landing gear structure. Check. Hydraulic lines. Check. Wheel well. Check. Up lock. Open. Free fall assister. Check. Safety pin. Removed. Wheels and tires. Condition. Brake wear detectors. Check. Brake temperature sensors. Check. Refueling point access door. Closed. VHF antenna. Check. Service door. Check. Tail prop and tail skid. Check. Outflow valves. Check. Flight controls access door. Locked. VOR antennae. Check. 2 items. Stabilizer de-icing boots. Condition. Logo lights when installed. Check. Horns. Condition. Stabilizer, elevators and tabs. Check. Static dischargers. Check. Fin, rudder and tab. Check. Tail cone, navigation and strobe lights. Check. Three vortex generators on both sides. Check.
After performing each flight mandatory checks, crew member 2 sets FGCP. Nav source crew member 1, FM1. Nav source crew member 2, FM2. Coupling side as per briefing. Once AT is received, both crew members compute takeoff performance using SPS and cross-check results. Nav aids are set to auto-tune for departure. The FMS settings are managed as follow. Please click on the video to watch. The FMS initialization is performed as follow. Via data then init, we reach weight page. In the weight page, we insert the estimated zero fuel weight, the current fuel on board, and reserve. CG is inserted when load and trim sheet is available. Next page is Perfinit, where flight crew's altitude and alternate airport with associated altitude are inserted. On flight plan init then route, we insert the flight ID then departure and destination airports. Selecting departure airport, the runway, SID and transition are chosen. Selecting arrival airport, approach, star, via and transition are chosen. And finally, flight plan discontinuity can be deleted. In prog page, flight total distance and remaining fuel at destination are checked. The FMS initialization is performed as follow. Refer to FCTM for departure briefing. After departure briefing and final cockpit preparation checklist completed. Once load sheet is received, relevant data is inserted and cross-checked in FMS. After that, takeoff data will be confirmed in MFD perf page as per procedure. SPS is then updated. After departure clearance received, SID and ALT sail are cross-checked. Transponder and FGCP are set. Before propeller rotation checklist is available on engine warning display. During before taxi procedure, propeller brake is released, engine 1 is started and CL are set to auto. Before taxi checklist is available on engine warning display. Taxi starts when taxi clearance is obtained. After taxi procedure completed, the taxi checklist is available. For the takeoff briefing, please refer to FCTM. Before takeoff procedure is split into two parts. The first part can be achieved before entering the runway. The second part must be achieved after line-up clearance is obtained. Please click on the video to watch the takeoff procedure. After acceleration please click on the video to watch the takeoff procedure.
FMA check. Check. Takeoff at 0633. Power lever set.
Check. Arm. Power set. 70 knots.
Check. I have controls.
You have controls. V1 rotate. Positive climb.
Yup. LNAV green, VNAV AS green.
Check.
Set autopilot.
Autopilot set.
AP green.
After acceleration altitude, the climb procedure is performed. After takeoff, checklist is available. Passing flight level 100, the crew performs associated procedure. Reaching cruise speed, the associated procedure is performed. Approach preparation starts with ATIS collection by pilot monitoring. Once ATIS received, both crew members compute landing performance using SPS and cross-check results. Aircraft is prepared for the approach. The following items must be checked: FMS, frequency, course, bearing, DA/MDA. Please click on the video to watch. Approach preparation starts with ATIS collection by pilot monitoring. Once ATIS received, both crew members compute landing performance using SPS and cross-check results. Aircraft is prepared for the approach. The following items must be checked: FMS, frequency, course, bearing, DA/MDA. Please click on the video to watch. Briefing is then performed. For arrival briefing, please refer to FCTM. Descent checklist is available. Passing flight level 100, the crew performs associated procedure. Approach checklist is performed after QNH settings. The aircraft configuration is performed as shown in this video.
Doesn't to go.
Check.
VFP green.
Check.
Set ground altitude.
4,000 feet set.
Check. Flat 15.
8 miles. Speed check. Flat 15.
Check. Speed 140 magenta.
Check.
Gear down.
Speed check. unlocked.
Check. Flight 30.
Speed check. Flap 30.
Check. Speed 112 magenta.
Check.
Following checklist.
Cabin crew.
Advised.
Landing gear.
Down 3 winds.
Flaps.
30.
Power management.
Take off.
Tail you low speed.
Check.
Icing air light.
Off.
External lights.
On.
Procedure complete.
Before landing checklist is displayed. Landing is performed manually. Autopilot must be disengaged not lower than 160 feet. Descent checklist is available. Approach preparation starts with ATIS collection by pilot monitoring. Once ATIS received, both crew members compute landing performance using SPS and cross-check results. Aircraft is prepared for the approach. The following items must be checked: FMS, frequency, course, bearing, DA/MDA. Please click on the video to watch. The FMS needs to be set and checked during arrival preparation, before the descent briefing. By selecting any arrival waypoint, the arrival page is available to check the type of approach, star, via and transition selected. Back on flight plan, the arrival and missed approach waypoints are cross-checked. Next page is perf approach where the ATIS wind is inserted. On VNAV page 2, temperature and QNH are set. Destination airport elevation is cross-checked with auto press panel. Finally, estimated time of arrival, distance, and estimated fuel on board can be checked on prog page 1 and minima are set on MDA. The FMS needs to be set and checked during arrival preparation, before the descent briefing. By selecting any arrival waypoint, the arrival page is available to check the type of approach, star, via and transition selected. Back on flight plan, the arrival and missed approach waypoints are cross-checked. Next page is perf approach where the ATIS wind is inserted. On VNAV page 2, temperature and QNH are set. Destination airport elevation is cross-checked with auto press panel. Finally, estimated time of arrival, distance, and estimated fuel on board can be checked on prog page 1 and minima are set on MDA. Briefing is then performed. Landing is after landing procedure is performed by crew member 2. Please click on the video link. After landing checklist is displayed. Reaching parking stand, aircraft is stopped. Parking brake is set and aircraft conditioned in hotel mode. When both propellers are stopped, beacon is switched off. Parking checklist is displayed. GPU can be connected, then engine 2 can be shut down. Two options are available. Back to short transit for a new flight, or leaving aircraft checklist.